Oh. Now, there's a lot of things I'm going to do again in Thailand. Hiking is not one of them. Just to go get out. See? You're doing it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh. So this is nice. This was really worth it. It's on. I regret coming here, man, but it's also a form of exercise and it's good. So you're like in the jungle or a forest. Okay, so let's go. Man. So, I mean, Thailand is very beautiful. This is my day 4 over here and I've never rested ever since I got here. There is always something on my bucket list. There is always something I want to do. Oh God. And guess how many days I'm spending here? About 30 days. And all these 30 days I'm not going to sleep. I just want to do something. Bye Leo. See, she's so tired, man. Let's go. Okay, so you need to, so there's a rope here that can guide you go all the way upstairs. Did I say all the way upstairs? All the way up there, I mean. Oh, fuck. So we just came from the beach and you know, we had this on our mind today to go hiking and we're all tired, but we still want to continue this journey. It has been amazing so far. Be careful. There is no ambulance here. Huh? No ambulance. Come. You can do it. You're doing it. You're almost up here. You've done most of it. You appreciate it when you get up there. God damn it. Oh, this is beautiful. Woo-hoo! Look at that. Told you, you will appreciate it when we get up there. Man, I love adventure. I love it so much. Ah, so this is our Papa. Papa, how are you? Good. Mongale. Yalla, let's go. So this is an island. Look at it. Lazy ass. Okay guys, so we are here at the Khao Toh Sae. Khao Toh Sae, what? Is it jungle or forest? Forest or jungle? Forest. Let's go. Forest. Okay, so they said it's a forest or a jungle, I don't know. But we're still here. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're still here, we're going up there. Yeah, Lavanda, you can do it. Give me your hands. Let's go. See? Old boy is already up there, man. This is so great. So right from the start, we met some monkeys. Some of them were aggressive. Some of them were also nice. Are you sure? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm leaving you. Okay. Okay. Ah. Man, it's still hot. I came to Qatar. Did I say Qatar? I keep on saying Qatar. I came to Thailand in summer, and I was asking them how many seasons do we have here. They said they have 3 seasons: hot, very hot, and very, very hot. Imagine. Yalla, bye bye. Man, it's a beautiful place. Trust me, I'm gonna keep on coming to Thailand every year, for real. Yeah, every year I'm gonna come here. Just need to pray for life and more strength and more success, you know, so we can keep coming up here all the time. Okay. Okay, I'm still going now. Tell me this is not scary. Bye, Leo. She's tired. Come, I'm waiting for you. How do you feel? Don't talk to me. So they have these things over here because this is like a clay and it's muddy. So maybe when it rains, it doesn't get slippery. So they have like this, you know. It's crazy, but it's safe. I don't know. Oh. Come on. Old boy is already up there. He's strong. Papa! Too much energy, Papa. Okay. At this point, I need to help her up because, man, she's far away. Need to go back, bring her up. Man, you lazy ass. Lazy ass. Man, so I know Qatar is very hot during summer, and Thailand is also hot, but the hotness of Thailand, like when it gets really super hot in Thailand here, it's like Qatar during summertime in the night. Man, the heat in Qatar, oof, it's crazy. It's beyond your imagination, trust me. The heat in Qatar, but aside from that, it's a very peaceful country. I would choose it even over my country. I would choose Qatar over Ghana in terms of how peaceful the place is. Qatar is very peaceful and very safe. And Thailand, I think so far, it's been a very great and a very nice place. The people over here are super amazing. That is what I'm saying. I would love to come here from time to time, you know. This is one of the best adventures I've ever had, ever in my life. I mean, we used to have some crazy adventures in Ghana, but not as crazy as this one. Man, I'm never gonna forget this. It's a lifetime experience, you know. So this is, call ambulance for what? Lazy ass, let's go. You remember before we came here, Papa told us there is no ambulance. No ambulance, huh? Good. There is no ambulance here. And yo, if you're planning to come on a hiking like this here, it's around Phuket. This is in Phuket, right? Okay. This is in Phuket, southern part of Thailand. It's a beautiful place actually. This afternoon we were at the Nai Ham beach. Even though I didn't vlog, I didn't do anything, I just wanted to chill out, you know. It was a great place and a very beautiful place. Whew. We're going up there. Yes. Okay. Oh man. Let's go. Let's go. Man, you plan to come here. You need to come with a very comfortable shoes. You good?
Baby.
Yes. Go.
Baby.
You need help or what? Okay, give me your hands. Let's go.
Go first.
You can do it. Okay, after you. These are bamboo sticks. Yeah, man. I think this is my first time seeing a bamboo. Let's go. Yo, move your ass. Little dog. So that's the island up there. It's beautiful, man. Oh, man. Come on, let's go. Oh, come on. We're going up. Fuck. Guys, if you're new on this channel, kindly make sure to subscribe. I dropped my microphone. No, it's right here. God damn it. Thought I dropped it. I would have gone all the way down there. To go look for it. Come on, leave me alone. Adi, let's go. I'm beginning to have headache. It's a great experience though. So you need to put on some comfortable shoes, you know. It shouldn't be slidey or it shouldn't be slippery. It shouldn't be sliders as well. It shouldn't be like half shoes. It has to be shoes specifically for hiking. Fuck, my sweat is getting into my eyes. Are you good? Oh. Now, there's a lot of things I'm gonna do again in Thailand. Hiking is not one of them. Yeah. Yo, Ladi, let's go. We can do it. We can do it. Let's go get out. See? We're doing it. See, we're already upstairs. Why do I keep on saying upstairs? We're already up here. Again, go. Okay, almost. Say it's almost. We're almost there. Still doing it. We're going up. Okay, guys, we can do it. We can do it. We've been able to come all the way up here. And then we can do it. Look at the city behind us. Look at that. So, we've been able to get up here. Man, we still got strength. We still got power. We can do it. Let's go, come.
Huh?
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yo. Oh. Give me your hands. Yo. She's dead, man. She's dead. But she did it. Almost done, man. I'll buy one Fanta for you.
10 minutes.
How many minutes?
I think
I think more
almost
than 30.
almost 35 now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
This is not the short way.
you want a shortcut down?
No, please.
Don't go from here, man.
Actually, there is nothing to see there. This is the main point.
Oh, okay. So up there, there's nothing.
Yeah.
All right.
Empty building.
All right, man. Thanks. Oh. So this is nice. This was really worth it. Look at that. Okay, guys. So we are finally up here. So it's amazing. The view is crazy. It's beautiful. People are up here. We wanted to go all the way up there, but we were told there's nothing to see up there. So this is like the final point. What is wrong with these dogs? Anyways, let me flip the camera so you can see the other side of it. Man, I'm dead. I need to sit down. You want to say something? Tired? She's tired, man. Okay, let's go. So here, you can see there are people up here. They also just go here. Don't know what's wrong with these dogs.
Baby.
For real? We go up here. I need to drink something. Hey guys, so we are going down. We don't need to go all the same way down there. There's a road here where we can just, slide all the way down there. By just walking. I don't know what these dogs are doing here. But they are really scaring the heck out of me. Okay guys, so now we are going down, and the funny part is when we get down we need to ride a motorbike back home. It's not like we are going to be in a car for someone to drive us, so I'll have to ride myself, man. But it's okay, it's all part of the adventure. Look at her, she's all happy now. You happy now, right? Lazy ass. It's beautiful. Tired already. You can see the tension, the tiredness all over my face. So see you on the other side. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are finally down here. Man, so where did we park our bike? Should be somewhere up there. So we're gonna make our way home. Thank you for being part of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Malik Sterling. Okay, so Charlie with the go house. Crazy on the road.
You want to drink coconut?
No. So now the reason why I make her ride is because she knows the road much better than me. And trust me, Thailand here is crazy to be on the road. It's so crazy. Like when we are not going, to long distance or far places, then I can ride. But, so yeah, that's about that.